Okay, today we're going to try a new battery pack. I've been running the Rampage Thunderpower for probably about 5-6 years. What we have here today is a Pulse 4500 6S pack. I've got to change the connector out, so we're going to do a little bit of soldering there. I've got RCPROPLUS 6mm bullets, got some side cutters, and I got some wire strippers, got my soldering rig, and we're ready to go. You can see how this pack is pretty much ready to go. You should probably just throw this out. It's puffed up by about 1/4 of an inch on each side. This pack has had it. All right, first I'm gonna cut the old connector off, making sure you don't cut both at the same time. You wanna cut one and move to the other one. And be careful. You do not want to touch these two together. You will see sparks fly and it's not good. Okay, next, I'm going to strip back the positive wire. Maybe about, 5-6 millimeters. I'll twist it, tighten it up. Make sure you leave the other one unstripped. Got my soldering iron here. Got my solder. You want to apply heat to the wire and the solder on the other side, making sure you get the solder all the way through the core of the wire. And I like to tin the male bullet. I'm gonna come back through, make sure I get enough solder in here. I'll support it. I want to reflow the entire thing. You don't want to just stack solder on top of solder that's not melted. You want to reflow the entire thing. It's a pretty good soldering iron I have here. It gets all the way up to 800 and it gets there quick. It's a Heiko model FX 951. Okay, while that's cooling, I'm gonna go ahead and tin the female. Make sure you run your negative wire through before you solder up your female. Otherwise, you won't be able to complete this. Okay, let's solder up the female. Okay. After this is cooled down a decent amount, you can go ahead and slide this through. Pull it tight. And RCPROPLUS has these little locking mechanisms. You literally just snap it on the top and keys into the bottom, which keeps the plugs from pulling out. You snap one side in first. Here's a click. And then snap the other side, hear it click, and you are ready to go. Okay, we can go ahead and plug the main lead up. And go ahead and plug the balancer into the 6S charge port. Let's do 10 amps. It's on 6S. And while we're charging, we're going to pay attention to the resistance. The resistance is going to tell you how good this pack is. All right, this is one of my older packs, probably over 5 years old. And as you can see, the resistance is all over the map. Got one at 14.2, 9, 7, 8. And here's the resistance of the Pulse 4500 6S. Brand new pack, first charge. All right, this is the Pulse 4400 in the Synergy 516. Another thing to pay attention to is the voltage after you fly. See that brand new pack? All cells are equal. Beautiful.